Hello everyone. In this video, I wanted to go ahead and show you all how you can actually add comments to your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So comments are really helpful, especially when you're collaborating with others on any of the Microsoft products, but you can also set comments for yourself. So let's just say that we wanted to add a comment to this intro page. So I'm going to go ahead and select the slide. I'm going to come over here to the top. I'm going to go ahead and select this comments icon right here, which will bring up the sidebar for comments. Then from here, I'll see all the different comments that are available on my presentation. I don't have any yet, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and select new. And if I do mention someone, if I type in someone's name in my organization, it's almost like assigning them a task, but I'm actually going to assign a comment to myself, or not assign it to myself, but I'm going to go ahead and add it to comment for myself so that once I'm going back through and I'm revising my presentation, I'm going to know, okay, this is what I need to do on this slide. So I'll just put something simple like change the intro image and then hit this. And now you can see I have a comment on this page and it's telling me to change the intro image. From here, I can go ahead and decide, do I want to delete this thread? Do I want to resolve it? Do I want to edit it? Do I want to add a reply to it? So I can create like a whole thread for this comment. So this is where it's helpful if you're mentioning someone. So this happens a lot at my work. Someone will be working on a PowerPoint presentation or a Word document, and someone will assign me a comment, and I may go ahead and I'll reply in that comment letting them know this is the change that I made, or can you specify what you're wanting me to do? It's not the most efficient way to communicate because they'd have to actually go in and reply to your comment as opposed to just sending them a message on Teams or calling them or shooting them an email. But a lot of people like to do this because then you could just kind of do all your collaboration within one document, as opposed to having to send them an email and clarify things. So comments are a really helpful tool to not only notify others of things that you want done to your presentation, but also to leave reminders for yourself.